Naalala ko, ito nakita ko sa isang post mo, yung may triangle tapos advanced scalar wave technology. Tama
Mhm.
ba? Oo.
Mm.
I'm assuming parang medyo sound yung ano eh. Tama, no?
Part pa rin siya ng frequency medicine.
Frequency medicine, ayun.
All of that kasi, no, bigyan muna natin ng structure, sir,
Ayun, sige,
no,
sige, sige.
especially kapag if we are talking about alternative medicine. From the roots, kasi medicine, di ba, we have the two divisions. We have the Western medicine or yung conventional medicine na alam
Yes.
natin. And then, the other side would be the complementary and alternative medicine. So
Okay, okay.
I'm talking in terms of the scholarly and internationally accepted terms.
Yes, okay. Yes, yes.
So from conventional medicine, the doctor's medicine, 'di ba? And then we have the complementary and alternative medicine. So the basic difference between the two is that Western medicine or conventional medicine is actually all of those knowledge and application that were learned from the medical school. And then the other side, lahat ng mga things na hindi tinuturo sa medicine school would all fall under complementary and alternative medicine. So nandiyan dyan yung mga alam na natin na mga iba-ibang healing modalities like herbals, acupuncture, ganyan. Because hindi sila tinuturo sa medicine school. So they fall
Yes.
under complementary and alternative medicine. And this is per National Institutes of Health, no? Yung mga definition. And then if we talk about complementary and alternative medicine, yung that side, we have 5 categories.
Okay.
First is alternative systems. So when we talk about alternative systems, it's an umbrella of different modalities
Okay.
na pinagsama-sama doon. So ang example niyan would be traditional Chinese medicine,
TCM, oo.
'di ba? Ang TCM have a lot of different modalities
Yes.
inside it, 'di ba? They have herbals, they have nutrition, they have acupuncture, they have qigong, yun. So it's a whole system.
Oo.
So same with Ayurvedic medicine. So it's also another alternative systems. So Indian naman siya. So nandoon naman yung mga Indian herbals, Indian way of healing. So it's another system. And then another system would be naturopathy, no? It's a whole system. So that would all fall under the first category of alternative systems. And then the next category would be bio-based medicine
Okay.
or biologically based medicine. So that's the branch of alternative medicine that deals with anything that you take inside the body. So either you ingest or you smell or you inject, ganyan. So anything that has something to do with substances, no,
Okay. Oo.
that changes the biological makeup of the body for healing. So nandiyan dyan yung herbs, nandiyan dyan yung homeopathy, nandiyan dyan yung
Yes.
nutrition, kasi all of those you take inside the body. So that's bio-based. And then the next branch would be mind-body. So yung mind-body naman is how you use the mind to influence the body for healing. So
Okay.
nandiyan dyan yung meditation, yoga,
Ah.
biofeedback healing, hypnosis, yan. So the fourth one would be manipulative therapies. No? So by the word itself, puro manual work and body work. So yung mga massage,
Yes.
chiro, yan.
Okay,
So that's
okay.
the other branch and category. And then the fifth would be energy medicine. So lahat ng alam na natin na mga modalities under energy medicine, pranic healing, Reiki, uh, frequency medicine,
Frequency dyan.
uh, oo, vibrational medicine, because they all are forms of energy.
Okay.
No, kapag sinabi mo kasing energy medicine, we could categorize it into two para hindi magulo.
Oo.
So, we have the um, veritable type of energy. Yun yung quantitative, no?
Okay, yes.
Like the quantitative type of energy na pwede mo siyang ma-measure, you can
Ma-measure, yes.
quantify, you can repeat. Uh, they are observable and detectable by devices.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yes.
So like so ano-ano ba yung mga types of energy na detectable, like light, 'di ba?
Yes.
We have light healing.
So red light therapy, nandyan
We
siya.
have red light healing,
Oo.
yes. Ultraviolet healing. So hindi siya part ng conventional medicine, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kasi hindi siya tinuturo sa medicine school. Pero nakakategorize siya sa complementary and alternative medicine, but under energy medicine siya.
Nandyan, okay.
So, but it is a type of veritable energy na nami-measure mo.
Yes.
Together with magnetic healing, together with electric healing, or meron ding thermal healing, yung using heat for treating diseases,
Yes,
yan.
yes.
So, those are veritable types of energy. Ngayon, we have another type, yung mas weirder type of energy, which is the putative energy.
Okay.
So from veritable, we have the putative
Putative.
energy.
Okay.
So yun yung mga biofield na, yung mga aura, biofield. So dyan napapasok ngayon yung Reiki, pranic healing, Qigong healing, touch
Okay.
healing, quantum healing, Seraphim Blueprint, the bars, yan. So yun yung mga under putative type of energy. Ngayon, you asked me about frequency medicine, no?
Yes.
Like yung sound, yung cymatics, ganyan. It can fall under the veritable type.
Okay.
Kasi
Kasi
nakikita mo
measurable.
pa yung energy, no?
Oo,
Nakikita pa
oo.
yung movement na energy, na detect mo pa siya, 'di
Yes.
ba? But when we talk about scalar energy,
Okay.
it's the same as kung narinig mo na yung orgone energy, yung mga orgonite devices.
Okay. Hindi pa. Narinig ko lang, hindi ko lang ako familiar.
Oo, quantum, orgonites, orgone energy, scalar energy. They all point out to this type of energy that is midway between the veritable and putative.
Okay.
Okay?
Oo, oo.
So, measurable siya, and at the same time, it has an invisible aspect,
Okay.
'di ba? It has an undetectable aspect. Ang explanation ng science with the scalar energy is that kasi 'di ba meron tayong B field or the magnetic field. We have the D field, the electrical energy, and then we have the A field. Yung A field is pag nag-cancel out yung electromagnetic energy, ang maiiwan is yung scalar energy.
Okay.
So, hindi siya masyadong detectable, but it's a potential. Okay, it's a potential energy for healing.
Okay.
So, yun yung ginagamit. So, that's why it's a midway between putative and the veritable type of energy. Kasi pwede mo siyang ma-detect somehow, and at the same time, meron siyang large potential na invisible.
Na invisible,
Okay?
yes.
So,
Na hindi pa measurable at this point. Yun lang naman
oo.
din. Oo.
So, ang magandang aspect dyan, since you can still detect it and you can still control them, 'di ba? You can still control them. You can use devices to generate it. Okay? So, kaya meron tayong pyramids, meron tayong mga Rodin coils, 'di ba? Yung mga Rodin coils, mga PEMF devices. Kasi somehow you can generate it, you can control the scalar energy, and at the same time it will produce a potential energy, a scalar energy that can be used in healing.
Healing, oo. Wow.
So yun yung type of energy na nage-generate ng pyramids, 'di ba?
Yes.
There is a technology of pyramids na if you make a miniature pyramid and then if you follow the measurement of the Giza or there's another type that is steeper,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? I forgot the name.
Okay
No,
lang.
pero yung post ko sa ano
Yes.
is the steeper type, no.
Steeper type yun.
So
Mas pata.
meron
Oo.
silang iba-ibang purpose, no.
Okay.
So yun yung maganda with using scalar devices kasi you can produce a pranic type of feeling and a Reiki type of energy, and at the same time you're using devices to control them
Oo, oo.
or to produce a specific effect. So
Yes,
it's more
yes.
controllable. Meron pang meron pang technology sa scalar. We call it psionics and
Psionics.
radionics.
Okay.
No? So sa psionics, you can use these devices to transport the scalar energy to another location. So parang distant. So you can use
Distance
it for
healing.
distant
Yes,
healing.
yes.
Well, others use it for manipulation and for attacks. But we will not encourage and teach
Yes.
that, no. But on the other side, you can also use it for healing,
Yes, yes.
no,
Oo.
for empowering, for sending positive energy, to emit positive energy in your environment, to the world, to the whole world, ganyan. So yun yung maganda sa scalar kasi may intervention ng devices, and at the same
Yes.
time, you can generate the putative
Potential.
energy, the
Oo.
scalar energy